Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. This week's Canva quick tip is going to be really quite fast. I wanted to show you the additional options you now have to download. I only noticed them quite recently, and they're really useful, so I thought it'd be worthwhile sharing. Let's go over to my Canva screen and show you. I've opened up two existing designs I have. First, I'm going to look at a video, and this is a video that I made last week, and I'm just going to show you now how you can download it and select which slides you have. If I go to download, it suggests a PDF as standard, but I could do it as an MP4. And then it gives me the option of selecting pages. And under selecting pages, I can either select all pages or the current page. If I take this off and then just select current page, and maybe I'll select page 5 as well, and then click done, and then download, you can see that I only want pages 1 and 5. This is excellent, particularly if you're doing a long document or you just want the front cover. Now I'll look at the Networking Success ebook, part of my more marketing business. And again, I'm going to click on share, go to download, suggested as a PNG, I want it as a PDF. And you can say select pages. And again, I have the option of selecting pages 1 to 6 or current page or any selection of pages I want. So I'll take off all the pages, put on one, and I'll select page 5 again. Then click done, and now I just have to download it. It's really easy just to pick up exactly what you want when you're downloading. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.